Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to claim your evaluation rewards on Hilomarket. First, you can claim rewards from markets you approved once the evaluation phase is complete. Open the market, and your reward will be ready for you to claim. You can also claim evaluation rewards from the dashboard, where all rewards are shown in one place. Go to the Evaluations section. Here, you'll see active evaluations ready to be claimed. For markets you voted to disapprove and got rejected, using the dashboard is the easiest way to claim rewards. Simply click the Claim button. Same goes for markets that you approved and went live. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.